Hi, welcome to Lighter Fix. My name is Felicia. In this video, I'll be sharing with you on how to download and set up Instander for pro Instagram features. Now, this video is basically for educational purpose and not to bypass any policy. Now, Instagram is a modified version of Instagram for Android device. People use Instagram because it has extra features like downloading photos, video, reels, and stories. Viewing stories with more privacy option. Now, to get Instagram, all you have to do is to go to your browser of any choice and type in Instagram. So right here, you click on the first website that will have here. From here, you just have to scroll, click on the download option here. You have to select the particular APK you want to download and click on the download option. Click on download anyway. So guys, after downloading this, you can now install it to your device and have access to it. You can use it to. This video was helpful. Please do well to follow Clyde Tech Fix for more phone tricks that make money. Thanks.